building your apportionment factor work paper. So first things first, you need to know what apportionment factor each states are using currently. And apportionment factor has been changing all the time. So I will suggest everybody do your homework. So as you have access to CCH, please log in there. And once you come into the home, you will see federal tax and state taxes. You want to go to CCH State Tax Smart Chart. And it will bring you to this screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to expand business income taxes, and then you can expand allocation and apportionment. And if you go down here, there is a section called General Apportionment Formula. And then it will break down different year. So please select the tax year you're working for. So right now I am working on the 2021 tax year. So I will click that. And based on the client, I want to click Georgia, California, Illinois, Maryland, and New York. And those are the states they have nexus. So we need to file those tax returns. So next what you're going to do is click View Results. And it will give you what factor they're using. So I would suggest downloading in Excel and saving in a research folder so you have a backup to go back to. So majority of the state nowadays, they are using one factor sales formula. But as you can see, Maryland, for example, they are still using 3-factor formula with 6 times weighted sales factor. So once you understand what factor they're using, you want to come back to your tax work paper. And as you saw, there is a one tab for the apportionment. So you're gonna start building your apportionment factor. So if all the states you're working on have one sales factor for apportionment, it'll be very easy. So what you need to do is sales, and gross sales will be federal or total sales. And for states, you want to put, is it from the goods or from services? So for example, if it's as you probably know, throwback rules and stuff like that, but each state has a little bit different how you include sales for goods and services. Even services, as they are moving towards one factor sales ratio, a lot of states are defining what sales mean to that state. So please make sure you do your research and talk to your senior and talk to your manager, and how you're apportioning your sales is actually correct. So once you build that, typically it's pretty fairly simple. You take the total sales in state divided by total sales from the or equal federal. So that's what you need to do. Thank you.